What's up, guys? I'm Miles, and sometimes it's hard to stay motivated. You know what's bigger than motivation? Purpose. Purpose, it answers the question why. Why do you run? Why do you read those books? Why do you do the things that you do? Why are you trying to lose weight? All of those things, all of the goals that you've set, you've got to answer that question why. You've got to find your purpose. In those miserable, painful moments when you're trying to find that strength, you will get it when you look back and focus on that purpose. Why do you do the things you do? Hopefully this is helping you and you find that purpose for yourself to keep you going in those difficult and challenging moments. Have a beautiful, fantastic, purposeful day. Peace.